Math 4, Quarter 3, Third Periodic Test Reviewer, Version 2. Answer all the questions. Choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. Which of the following is an example of a dissimilar fraction? Number 2. Which model shows the fraction 3/8? Number 3. Which of the following is an equivalent fraction to 2/4? Number 4. Which symbol correctly compares the fractions 3/5 and 2/7? Number 5. Which of the following fractions is the largest? Number 6. Order the following fractions from smallest to largest: 3/5, 1/2, 5/6. Number 7. Which of the following represents an equivalent fraction to 5/10? Number 8. What is the simplest form of the fraction 6/9? Number 9. What is the sum of 2/5 and 3/8? Number 10. Subtract 3/7 from 5/7. What is the answer? Number 11. Add 2/5 and 3/10. What is the answer? Twelve. Which of the following is the correct result for 2 1/4 plus 3 2/5? Thirteen. Subtract 1 1/2 from 3 3/4. What is the answer? Fourteen. What is the sum of 3 1/2 and 2 1/3? 15. What is the difference between 4 1/4 and 1 1/2? 16. Which of the following is the result of adding a whole number and a proper fraction? 3 plus 2/5. 17. What is the sum of 2 3/5 and 3? 18. What is the result when you subtract 1/3 from 2? 19. Which of the following is the result of 7/10 minus 1/5? Number 20. What is the correct result of adding 4/7 and 3/7? 21. What is the result of subtracting 3 and 1/2 from 5? 22. Which of the following has line of symmetry? 23. Which of the following shapes has no line of symmetry? 24. Which of the following shapes is symmetric with respect to the line in the middle? 25. Which of the following is an example of symmetry in the letter A? 26. What is the missing half of the figure that is symmetric with respect to the vertical line? 27. What shape is formed after reflecting a square across a vertical line? 28. After applying reflection on the shape below, which of the following is the correct image? 29. Which of the following figures would look the same after a reflection? 30. If a triangle is reflected across a horizontal line, what will the shape look like? 31. What is the result of reflecting a figure in a vertical line? 32. Which of the following actions will create a glide reflection? 33. What is the result when you reflect a letter B over a vertical line? 34. If a square is reflected along a vertical line, how will its vertices change? 35. After reflecting a figure, what can we say about its position compared to the original? 36. If you have a rectangle with a vertical line of symmetry, which of the following is true after reflection? 37. What is the image of the letter M after a reflection over a horizontal line? 38. Which figure shows the correct reflection of the given shape? 39. If the fraction is 3/4, which of the following is an equivalent fraction? 40. If a triangle is reflected and then translated, which transformation is being applied? That's all for now. Thanks for watching.